Unscrew and remove the screws on the power side and cap. Take a photo to document the original wiring color configuration. Disconnect the 3 wires, remove the old end cap, and install the new one. Reconnect the 3 wires according to their original matching colors. Secure the wire splices firmly using wire connectors, crimp tabs. Tighten the screws to secure the end cap.